The problem with laser Grbl, if you want to engrave something and not to cut it, sometimes when you write your word test here, it writes down everything like this one, because when you cut it from another side it should make in normal way, but if you want only to engrave it, so there is one useful way which worked for me but others not worked. Some people say that you have to change your cables, and another say in settings you have to change something, but what worked for me to get this test as test, not mirrored or inverted engraving, you just have to go to here, Grbl, open Grbl configuration, and then find this third hashtag or third module, place something, step direction invert. Normally it is in 0. You double click it, you will see definitely it is in 0, so you just have to write there 1 and go down and make it right. No change, nothing to write, because I already changed to 1. And when you have this 1 here already written, when you see on your screen monitor test, your laser will write engrave also test. But if you going to cut something and not engrave, then keep in mind this third place, make it back to 0. This is only working version.